welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products that make your life a little easier and a lot more stylish. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WANDF Toiletry Bag for Men, a hanging Dopp kit that promises convenience, water resistance, and a touch of sleek organization for all your travel needs. Let's see if this compact bag lives up to its claims. This toiletry bag is designed with convenience in mind. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing just 3.6 ounces, which makes it an excellent choice for travelers who need to minimize luggage space. The dimensions come in at 9.5 inches in length, 4.7 inches in width, and 5.17 inches in height. This smart size allows it to fit comfortably into almost any suitcase without taking up unnecessary room. Now, let's talk features. The bag's main selling point is its water-resistant, ultralight nylon fabric. It's paired with breathable mesh and SBS zippers, ensuring both durability and breathability, a crucial factor if you're storing toiletries or cosmetics. The stitching is neat and clean, while the zinc alloy zipper adds a touch of durability that ensures the bag will hold up over time. One of the most appealing aspects of this bag is its versatility. It's designed to be used by both men and women. You can use it as a toiletry bag, a shaving kit, or even a makeup bag. Plus, it doubles as a convenient carry-on bag for the airport, which we'll touch on more shortly. When it comes to organization, the WANDF Toiletry Bag doesn't disappoint. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold your larger items, like shampoo bottles or shaving cream. Inside, there's a zippered mesh pouch where smaller items like toothpaste, razors, or cosmetics can stay organized and visible. A front zipper pocket adds an extra layer of storage, so you can stow away smaller essentials, or maybe a little extra something you didn't expect to need on the trip. In terms of real-world use, the WANDF Toiletry Bag performs as expected. It's super easy to pack and unpack, and the side handle allows you to either carry it by hand or hang it up in your bathroom or hotel room. This simple yet functional design makes it easy to access your toiletries without rummaging through your bag. While the size is perfect for a weekend getaway or short trip, I did find that for longer stays, you might have to be a little strategic with how you pack to fit everything you need. So, what are the pros and cons? Let's break it down. On the positive side, it's lightweight, compact, and made of durable materials. The water-resistant fabric ensures that spills won't ruin your other items, and the mesh compartments keep things neat and visible. The versatility of the bag is definitely a plus. It's not just for toiletries. It can easily serve as a travel bag for cosmetics or even healthcare essentials. The cons are a bit more minor, but worth mentioning. The main compartment, while spacious, could be a tad larger if you're someone who likes to carry a lot of toiletries. Additionally, if you're planning on carrying larger items like full-size bottles of shampoo, it might get a bit cramped. But for most, this bag will likely meet their needs. Now, as for value for money, the WANDF Toiletry Bag hits a sweet spot. It provides a solid range of features, from water resistance to practical compartments, all at a reasonable price point. Given the quality materials used and the design's thoughtful details, it definitely feels like you're getting your money's worth. However, if you're someone who needs to carry a lot of heavy-duty toiletries, there might be better options in a larger size. When comparing this bag to others on the market, there are certainly some competitors that offer larger, more specialized toiletry bags. However, what sets the WANDF apart is its portability and versatility. Many other bags in this range might focus on size and neglect features like organization or water resistance, but WANDF strikes a balance between all of these. As for build quality and longevity, the materials used are durable, and the design seems like it will hold up well over time. The stitching and zippers appear to be strong enough to withstand frequent use. However, there isn't long-term data available yet, so we'll have to wait and see how it holds up after months of travel. Customer support? There hasn't been any need for interaction, so I can't speak to that directly. However, WANDF has a solid reputation for offering quality products, so any issues you encounter should be handled effectively. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are some smaller toiletry bags out there, but they won't offer the same level of versatility or water resistance. There are also larger bags, but they tend to become cumbersome if you're aiming for a light and compact travel setup. To wrap it up, the WANDF Toiletry Bag for Men is a solid option for those who need an efficient, easy-to-use bag that doesn't take up too much space. It excels in portability, durability, and versatility, but may fall short if you need more room for toiletries on longer trips. It's best suited for short getaways or for those who prefer to pack light. If you're interested in picking up this bag, the link is in the comments box. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've already tried it out. What do you think? Is it the right fit for your travel needs? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it organized and stylish with Beautyistic.